We're going to take a look at display settings and some of the simple settings that you have in there to change the way your interface looks, in particular your desktop looks. We can get there quite easily. We can just go to the screen resolution or personalize. We're going to go here to the screen resolution, and what you're going to see on your system is what's called a native resolution, and the native resolution will be the one that's recommended. Keep in mind that it's usually going to be the highest one. So over here we have advanced settings, and advanced settings is going to allow you to do pretty much any resolution you have. If you notice right here, this is a 1366 by 768 resolution. And that is not one of the default ones that they give you as an option. So you have to go to the advanced settings in order to have that. And to get there, you can come right here and it says list all modes. And you can scroll through here to find what mode works for you. Usually it's going to be the highest resolution, but we have a problem with highest resolution. And that problem is that if you're like me, you can't see it. You can't see your icons. It changes the resolution so much and makes it so precise that your icons become very, very small, and it's a little hard to see it. You need reading glasses to use your computer, unless you're young, and then you can see that stuff just great. Oh, let's click OK on here and talk about that. Talk about seeing things on your screen that you couldn't normally see. And this is the screen that we want. Change only the text size and change the size of all items. And in order to do this, we'll start here, and this will be the easy one. Title bars. Let's say we want our title bars to be just a little bit larger. You would probably choose one of these. You can see the default is 11, but we're going to go to say, 20. It's just so you can see it. So we'll click apply, and then we'll wait. And right here, that's it. That's the title bar. And perhaps that works for you so you can see it a little bit better there. And here's the options. We have the menu, the message boxes, the palette titles, the icons, and the tooltips. So just go into the icons. We'll choose the icons and go with something quite large here so you can see it. Click apply. Wait, and you can see right up here that this is a lot larger as well. And if we open up, say, File Explorer, then you can see it's really quite large, quite dramatic. So don't feel shy about going to whatever resolution that you want to go to, because you can always make your icons more readable. I'm going to take this back to kind of a, let's just say, a little more normal place here. Go to the default 9. And then I'm going to take my title bars and go to the default 11. Click apply and then wait. And then you can see what happens right there. Now, the last thing to show you is going to require a reboot. So let's go ahead and do that. It's right here. You can see the size of all items. So that's going to change the size of all the items that we see here. All in one swoop, I guess you could say. We're going to go to the larger one so you can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to click apply, and it's going to say sign out now. We're going to go ahead and sign out now and sign back in. Here we are signing in. And what you're going to see is the icons are going to be quite large. The screen is going to be larger. Let's go to the desktop here so you can see it. And everything is pretty much larger. Now, if you go to 150, you have to have a pretty large screen in order to see everything. The nice thing is, and don't be shy, don't think it's cool to have small icons. It's not. What's cool is to use your computer the best way that you can use it. So that is a look at changing the resolution on your desktop and also having the ability to see everything if you go to a high resolution in Windows 8.